Hi, Chef Jay here. Today I'm going to make sauteed eggplant, a tasty eggplant dish in a zesty homemade ponzu sauce. You will need 2 eggplants, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 clove of ginger, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 1/2 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of scallions. Step 1. Remove the stems of the eggplants and cut them in half. Create several diagonal notches on the surface of the eggplant and divide them into quarters. Step 2. Grate ginger. Step 3. Now we will make the ponzu sauce. Combine the grated ginger, soy sauce, vinegar, and lemon juice in a small bowl. Step 4. Heat a fry pan over medium heat and add the sesame oil. Place the eggplant slices in the pan and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until tender. Step 5. Flip them over and cook for a few more minutes. Step 6. Reduce the heat. Add the sauce, toast gently, and let the eggplant absorb the flavors for a minute. Step 7. Transfer to a plate and sprinkle chopped scallions and grated ginger for some added flavor. I hope you enjoyed this delicious sauteed eggplant dish. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like and subscribe.